The process for getting a mini dental implant is we do an examination and we take an x-ray that's 3D so we can see all the details of what your situation is. So we do the 3D x-ray, and from that we can see exactly what your needs are, what we should be doing to give you the very best possible results. With the mini dental implants, for example, if we're just replacing one tooth, we'll send a copy of your scan, the 3D scan, and either impression or scan of your mouth to the lab so that when we place the implant, you get the crown the same day that we place the implant. Again, it's different than standard implants where we would have to wait 3 months before placing the final crown. If you're interested, we can do a free consultation where you come in, we talk for 15 to 20 minutes or so about what your situation is, and also give you a free 3D scan of your mouth so that everything can be figured out during that free consultation.